Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a nifty gadget that's sure to make your driving experience even better. The Toyota Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Now, let's dive right in and explore the features of this awesome device. First and foremost, it's designed specifically for Toyota models from 2014 to 2019. So if you're a proud Toyota owner, this is definitely the adapter for you. The ZHNN CarPlay adapter is compatible with both Touch 2 and Entune 2.0 systems, ensuring a seamless installation process. It's a plug-and-play device, so you won't have to worry about any complicated setup. Simply connect it to your car's USB port, and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. This adapter not only supports CarPlay, but also allows you to connect your iOS or Android devices via Bluetooth. So, whether you're using Apple Maps or Google Maps, you'll have access to all your favorite navigation apps. And let's not forget about the music. With the ZHNN CarPlay adapter, you can stream your favorite tunes directly from your phone. So, whether you're rocking out to Spotify or jamming to your personal playlist, you'll have the best sound quality possible. But wait, there's more. The ZHNN CarPlay adapter also supports Siri and Google Assistant, so you can make calls, send texts, and even control your smart home devices while on the road. Now, let's talk about the installation process. It's a breeze. Just follow the removal instructions shown in the video for 2015 Toyota Sienna. Remove the top dash panel as shown. Remove the two wiring harness connections of the heater controller. Don't forget to protect the dash from scratches. Using size number 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts from the radio. Simply plug the adapter into your car's factory wiring harness and you're good to go. There's no need to worry about any complicated setup or installation instructions. It's a plug-and-play connections. Next is to connect the wiring harness to ZHNN Toyota Wireless CarPlay adapter. This remaining wire harness is for USB ports and the yellow OSIA jack is for optional front camera connectivity. Secure the CarPlay module at the back of the dash. This small antenna is for Wi-Fi connectivity. Place back the radio. CarPlay will work using the auxiliary mode. Pair your iPhone or Android using Bluetooth connectivity. How to use wireless CarPlay. Ensure that both your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Open the Bluetooth panel of the device to check the Bluetooth name, then find it on the phone and connect it. After authorization and successful connection on the phone, it will automatically enter the CarPlay function interface. This CarPlay adapter fully supports your vehicle's original steering wheel controls, allowing you to retain the core functions of your infotainment system. Enjoy voice control, real-time navigation, hands-free calling, music streaming, and messaging without losing any original features. Experience enhanced functionality with support for iPhone mirror projection. Synchronize your smartphone with your car's display to access Netflix, YouTube, Maps, and more right from your dashboard. After you checked everything, you can put it back all the panels in the same sequence. So, if you're a Toyota owner looking to upgrade your in-car entertainment system, the ZHNN CarPlay adapter is the perfect solution. It's easy to install, supports a wide range of features. If you wish to order this amazing product of ZHNN, you can check the link to my description. You can get 10% off coupon using code DRIVESHOP. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, happy driving. Thank you so much for joining us today.